Welcome everybody to today's video. Today we are preparing a cheddar, bacon, jalapeno stuffed morel mushroom. There's no better way to do it. I mean, there's nothing else to say. We're just gonna get into it. Just gonna take some cheese. Here I have my handy tool. Stuff it with cheese. As much cheese, not as much, just a good amount. Take a couple pieces of bacon. One at a time, people, one at a time. Stuff that in there. Get some, maybe a couple pieces of jalapeno. Stuff that in there. And we're gonna cap it with some cheese, some more cheese. Okay. All right, then we're gonna come over to the egg wash. I'm gonna wash it. Throw it in the flour. Use your dry hand. Cover it. Cover it, cover it. We're gonna go back into the egg wash, cover it, and then right into, we have saltines here. We don't have any breadcrumbs. Saltines work just as good. It's gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna throw this, into the fryer. We got it heated up over here. Okay, now we're gonna let this go for probably about 3 minutes, maybe a minute and a half on each side. And come right back and I'll show you how it turns out. Okay, we've been letting this go for probably about 2 minutes now. We just want enough to get that cheese melted. You can tell there's still some moisture in there. I'm gonna let that splash off. Careful when you're doing this. Okay, that's pretty good. We're gonna take that out. I'm gonna set that off to the side. And I'm gonna cut it open and I'll show you what the inside looks like. All right, here it is, moment of truth. I'm gonna cut this open and show you guys the inside. Looks great. Now we're gonna give it a shot. All right, let's give this a shot. Delicious. I mean, you can't beat that. Cameraman, you wanna try it? Very good.